Hey bro, welcome back. I don't know if you have any laptops that haven't been used for a long time. I found my old laptop yesterday while cleaning my room. When I tried to open it, I found that I lost its password. If you have the same problem, keep moving on. I know a great solution here, PassFab 4WinKey. You can download and install PassFab 4WinKey on another accessible computer. I've put the official website in the description. Insert a USB and click Next to burn it. Once done, read the tutorial. And plug in the USB to your old laptop. Restart. Press F12. Boot from the USB. Then, choose the Windows operating system. Click the account that you forgot its password. Check Reset Account Password. Click Next, and you can enter a new password. Click Reset. Reboot the computer once your password has been reset successfully. Now you can use your new password to unlock your computer. This is how to fix forgot Windows 7 password problem. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next time.